Hello, we are the group 1 and we are representing our code, Java Eclipse. This is the calculator code and I am explaining the coding. Here the codes. I will explain the code. Ito po yung mga code namin. Papakita ko na lang. Ito yung mga operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Next is yung mga button naman. Ayan. Ayan. Dami yung button dyan, boy. Next yung design naman namin na i-explain ni Eduardo Montemayor. Jeremy Villanueva.
Subukan naman natin kung gagana. Let's try the 1 plus 1. 1.
Wow.
Plus 1. Ay, nandito.
Clear.
Ulit. 1 plus 1.
Equal.
Yeah.
Wow, so amazing. Guys, must try this, ha?
Let's try the subtraction now. 2
Minus.
1.
Equal.
Wow. It's working guys.
Pwede na call center po.
Another one.
Let's try the multiplication. 3 times
1.
3 equals Very good. Let's try now.
Ganyan na lang capstone natin, boy.
56 divided by 7 equals, wala nyo kung anong sasagot dyan. 8. Yeah.
Combine kayo naman operation. Combine operation. Combine operation naman.
Ito naman natin point. 28.36 plus 1. Hindi, 33 na. Plus 1.
1.1111.
77. Bisa pintot. Aro.
Guys, naglalag yung signal namin.
Gusto yun, 99. Tama. Tayo naman natin yung may negative na sagot. Minus. Baka nakasita.
6, yes.
Negative 2. Ay, gago. Yan, okay na. Ano sagot dyan? Negative 64.
That's it
for today. Thank you, guys. Ano yan? Cut yun.
Tapos di mo lang